Hi, Greg with GREE here with another quick tip for you. If you're installing the GMV6 Multi-Pro Ultra and you power up that system and the LCD display doesn't come on, well, it may be that the breaker inside that unit is off. So the very first thing you want to do is just make sure you got your line voltage coming into that unit on that terminal block coming into the front of that unit. Then take your voltmeter and check for voltage up here at the brown and blue wires. You should have 230 volts there. If you do not, then your next step would be to take the top of the unit off, walk behind the unit like I am right now, and you just reach over the top. You just go in the corner, there's a little metal bracket there, and you'll feel that breaker. And just pull that breaker switch up, and you'll feel it click. And then if you walk back around the front of the board, the LCD display should be powered up then. Once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and finish your installation. Remember, with GREE, we're by your side.